Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Football Manager demo using an easy method. First, you'll want to download the demo from your chosen platform, like Steam or Epic Games. Once installed, launch the game and select the Start New Game option. You'll then pick a club to manage and create your manager profile. Don't worry too much about perfection at this stage. Just get started and have fun with the initial setup. It's a straightforward process to begin your managerial journey. Once you're in the game, familiarize yourself with the main menu on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find everything from tactics to training and transfers. For an easy start, focus on understanding the basic tactical setup. You can also delegate many tasks, like training schedules or scouting assignments, to your assistant manager and other staff members. This helps streamline your experience and allows you to focus on the most enjoyable aspects of managing your team. To achieve quick success in the demo, start with a straightforward tactical formation that suits your team's strengths. Don't overcomplicate things early on. Focus your scouting efforts on finding free agents or securing loan deals, as these are cost-effective ways to improve your squad without spending transfer budget. When selecting your team for a match, use the quick pick option to let your assistant manager choose the best 11 players. This saves time and ensures a competitive lineup. The Football Manager demo usually allows you to play for approximately 6 in-game months, giving you ample time to get a feel for the game. Make the most of this period by experimenting with various clubs and trying out different tactical approaches. Don't be afraid to start multiple saves to explore diverse scenarios. Remember to save your game regularly. If you decide to purchase the full game, you can often continue your progress directly from your demo save file, which is a great bonus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.